Hello and welcome guys. Today one more video about PhotoMozaik pattern, but this time in a different way. Instead of using context sheet 2 option, we'll use guides, rectangle marquee tool and layer via copy option. So let's get started. First of all, we will create a new document window, and for that go to File menu and select New. A new document dialog box will appear. First we will enter title, we will select inches, width 5, height 5, resolution 72, color mode RGB color, background contents white, and click on create button. A 5x5 document window will be open. To see full size in screen, press Ctrl+0. Today we will make PhotoMozaik pattern differently. We will use guides, and for that go to view menu in applications bar and scroll down to new guide layout option and select it. A new guide layout dialog box will open. In preset, we will select custom option. Next columns, we will enter 5, then check the row option, and also here enter 5. Gutter, space between two columns, we will decrease it to 0 for columns and rows both. Then click on OK button. Now we have created 25 guide boxes on this document, and I have also collected 25 images for that. We will arrange these all images here. Now select the first image, drag and drop it on the document window. We can see an image here with the control handle of the image corner. Drag control point inside and resize the image, and adjust on the first guide box. When the image is set properly, we will click on check mark in options bar or press enter key. Now select the rectangle marquee tool. Select the guide box from this corner to this corner by dragging the mouse over it. Now we will create a new layer for this selection by layer via copy option. We can select this option by right click on selection and select layer via copy option. Our selected part will be copied in a new layer. We will inactivate and activate this old image layer by clicking on this eye icon, and we can see the difference. Now we don't need this main image layer, so we will delete it. When we will move the image to the guideline snaps the image and it looks like this. So it will be easy to set image in square box. We can see that image adjusted layer via copy option. Very well. We will do select this layer via the second image. Select the second image, drag and drop on document window, resize it by dragging control points, set image on second guide box, click on right check mark, select second guide box with rectangle marquee tool, create a new layer, Ctrl+J, delete the main image layer. Now we will repeat these steps for all remaining images. We will resize and reset all images in the guide box. When all desired settings have done, it looks like this. The PhotoMozaik pattern will be seamless. This is the easiest way to make a PhotoMozaik pattern. Now to hide these guidelines, press Ctrl+H key from your keyboard. Now we will save this document as a pattern. So go to Edit menu and select Define Pattern option. Give the pattern name and click on OK button. If we want to see this pattern, we can see it here. Go to Window and select Patterns option. And Patterns window will open here and we can see our pattern here. Now I have a beautiful image of this lion and cub. We will apply this photo mosaic pattern on it. First of all, we will convert this background layer into a smart object for non-destructive editing. And for that, right click on this background layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Now we will create a pattern adjustment layer from bottom of the layer panel. A pattern fill dialog box will appear. If you cannot see your pattern here, click on this down arrow and here you can see your custom pattern. Select it. By dragging scale slider left or right, we can change photo mosaic pattern. Click on OK. Now we will reduce opacity and decrease it to 30 to 32. If we are not satisfied with pattern scale value, then double click on adjustment layer thumbnail and reset it. Click on OK button. Now it looks better. Reduce opacity a little bit more. Now select the main image layer. Now we will go to Image menu, Adjustments, go over to Shadows Highlights option and select it. Here we will adjust shadows and highlights by dragging amount and midtone slider and click on OK button. Now we can see this beautiful and stunning image with photo mosaic effect. Hey guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe us. And yes, if you have any questions or suggestions, please post in the comment box. And don't forget to give thumbs up. Thanks for watching guys.